Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get TikTok back after deleting the apps. So I'm provide solution. First open Safari browser and go to search option, search it to TikTok login, and click on to login. And when I'm try to login, then showing it to this message app not available. That's mean this app recently deleted. So don't upset, I'm provide solution. I hope you just follow my all process, then you get 100% get back your TikTok. In the first method, click on to profile, click on country or region, so select. At first you need to change your region, select any country without USA and UK. So like I'm select Canada. You just fill up all the address. So you just enter same to same address and press on next. Okay, now successfully change country. Now successfully change. When complete this process, so you need to just turn on your airplane mode and wait 5 seconds, turn off and restart your phone. And the second solution, open App Store. So now I'm still using US Wi-Fi, so I'm just change this. Go to search option, search it to VPN. So I'm get this VPN. This VPN is totally free and safe. So open. You just connect any country. So like I'm select Japan. Okay, now successfully connect VPN. So go out, open App Store again and search it to TikTok. And now I'm get finally TikTok back. Okay, now it's downloading. I hope you just follow my all step, then you get back your TikTok. Or if you have any question, let me know in my comment box. Thank you.